Hello and welcome to another episode of Gunpla Builds. And this is another long-awaited one, the high-grade Gundam The Origin RCX-76-02 Guncannon First Type Iron Cavalry Squadron EFSF mass-produced mobile suit. Oh. God, these names are just so off. But yes, here is the main part of the box. Here is the front of the box. I don't know who the pilot is. One second. There is the other side of the box here with more action poses. And just like the last one, I did get this from USA Gundam Store. Onto the runners. But of course, we have to start with the sticker sheet. Not too bad. This does come with a stand. Not my favorite type of stand. Actually had one of these when I had the high grade dual blue Gundam. I don't have that anymore, I sold that, but this was the kind of stand that came with too. Here is the polycap runner. Here is A1. Here is A2. I like that color. It's like a bluish gray. I kind of like that. Here is B. Here is C1. Which is the weapons. Here is D1 and D2 to the manual. And here we are at the manual. Very much like the other one. You have high grade, the origin, all of this stuff that I don't feel like saying again. Yes, it does open the same as the other one. Some action poses, information about the weapons, the basically final build process. But of course, the meat of it is all in here. So yes, very much kind of the same. And of course, gotta end on the back side. More action poses, painting guide, gimmicks, your markings, all that good stuff, indeed. And that's going to do it for my unboxing of the Guncannon Iron Cavalry Squadron. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.